In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. When you're ready to print your PowerPoint slides, the first thing you want to do is open the Print Settings menu. You can do this easily by clicking on the File tab located in the top left corner of your PowerPoint window. Once you click on that, a menu will open up. What you want to look for is the option labeled Print. Alternatively, there's a quick shortcut to access this menu. If you're using Windows, just press Ctrl-P, or if you're on a Mac, go ahead and press Command-P. This will take you straight to the print setup. Now, once you're in the Print menu, the next step is to select how you want your slides to appear. Look for a section labeled Settings. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu that usually defaults to full-page slides. This is the option you want because it gives you a complete view of your slides without any unoptimized margins. So go ahead and click that drop-down menu and make sure Full Page Slides is selected. Now let's move on to an important feature called Scale to Fit Paper. In that same drop-down menu, under Settings, take a look at the options listed at the bottom. You should see a checkbox for Scale to Fit Paper. Be sure to toggle this option on. What this feature does is ensure that your entire slide fits perfectly within your printer's paper dimensions. This way, you won't end up with parts of your slide being cut off. In some cases, you might still notice some thin white edges around your printout. If that's the case, don't worry, there's a solution for that. You can adjust your printing settings even further by clicking on Printer Properties. You'll find this option right below where you selected your printer name in the Print menu. Once you click on Printer Properties, it will open up another window provided by your printer's software. Now, within this new window, look for a setting that might be labeled Borderless Printing or Fit to Page. This setting will vary depending on your printer model. If you see that option, go ahead and turn it on. After you've done that, don't forget to click OK to confirm the changes and return to the main Print menu. At this point, you've set everything up for a great print job. Now, take a moment to review all your settings, make sure everything looks good, and when you're ready, hit that giant print button. And there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you can ensure your PowerPoint slides print out beautifully. Don't forget to double-check your paper settings and ink levels before starting to print, just to avoid any surprises. I hope you found this guide on printing in PowerPoint helpful. If you have any questions or tips of your own, please drop them in the comments below. Happy printing!